Hey, what's up guys? This video is all about how you can use Spotify app on your Galaxy Watch 5 and how to download and listen to offline music through your watch as well. So first things first. If you don't already have Spotify installed on your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, you can do so from the Play Store app on your watch. Once you have it downloaded, connecting it to your phone is very simple. All you have to do is to tap on this button that says connect on phone and follow the steps. Once you're done with all that, whenever you will play a song on Spotify on your phone, on your watch you will see this ongoing icon dancing up and down at the bottom of the display. Tap on it and it will take you to the Spotify app on your watch, where you will see the playback controls. Now here of course you can play, pause, skip ahead and go back a track. You can also like and unlike a track. And to change the volume, tap on this phone icon on the lower right edge, which takes you to the volume controls. If you swipe up, you can also set the album or the song on the loop and control the random playback. From here, if you swipe to the left, there are some more options available. You will be able to see your downloads here, and these are the downloaded songs on the watch. Below this, you can also go into your library, see your playlists, podcasts and albums. As you continue to scroll down the list, you will also see your recent playlists, recommendations and recently played songs. I find all of this really helpful because it allows me to control, find and listen to all of my music from the watch alone. I don't need to open the phone app at all. Anyways, moving on, the last thing you will see here is the settings tab. In here you can do two things mainly. Turn on or off downloads on a cellular connection and connect headphones to your watch, which again comes in handy when you want to listen to music offline on the watch. Now there is something weird that I have noticed here. If you want to listen to any music on your watch without Bluetooth headphones, you can do it by going into the phone app and changing the playback device to watch. It will switch the music output from your phone to your watch's speakers. But if you try to do the same from the watch by tapping on the phone icon from where you control the volume and then tapping on your phone and selecting this watch, it will prompt you to connect a Bluetooth device rather than just play it through the watch's speakers. It really seems like an unnecessary restriction. Anyways, let's talk about the offline playback capability on your Watch 5 Pro. So here is what you need to make this happen. This capability is locked behind the premium subscription of Spotify, so you will need to get that first. And the second thing you need is the Bluetooth headphones connected to the watch, because that is the only way you can listen to offline music. Another important thing to take note of is that you cannot download individual songs, but only playlists and albums, unless there is only one song in that album or playlist. And here is how you can do it. On your watch, go to the playlists or albums of your choice. Here you will see the option download to watch. Make sure your watch is connected to Wi-Fi and cellular downloads that I showed you earlier are turned off. As you tap on the download option, you will see the progress circle appear, which also shows how many songs have been downloaded during the progress. Now similarly, you can also remove any downloaded playlists and albums by selecting the remove from watch option. Once the download is complete, now go to the download section on your watch and here you will see all the downloaded playlists and albums. Select one and when you will hit the play button, it will take you to the Bluetooth settings where you will get the option to connect Bluetooth headphones, because that is how you will be able to listen to the downloaded music through the watch. Do that and then enjoy your music through your watch on your Bluetooth headphones. This music is downloaded on the watch and is offline, so you can leave your phone at home and just go with your watch and buds on a run or any other activity. There is 16 GB of storage on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which means you can download hundreds of songs on your watch without any worry. So that's about it from this video guys. I hope you've enjoyed it and learned something new. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.